औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बिश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, I hope all of you are fine and you are preparing your test very well on daily basis and with your full concentration. I wish you best of luck. So my dear students, in today's lecture number 18 we are going to revise active and passive voice of past indefinite tense. Let's start it. Past indefinite tense. First of all, this tense tells us about any action that happened in past time. Okay, any action in near past or far past. Any action that happened in past time is past indefinite tense. In उर्दू रिकॉग्निशन, उर्दू फिक्रे के आखिर में आता है अलिफ, छोटी जे और बड़ी जे। जैसे वो गया, आया, किया, दिया, लिया वगैरह। Let's see the formation. Positive formation, first of all subject is there, then second form of verb and then object. In negative, subject, did not, first form of verb and object. Second form will be used only in positive sentences. In rest of the sentences, first form will be used because second form is here in the form of did. Interrogative, did will come at the start and the rest of the sentence will remain the same. Negative interrogative, first of all did, then subject, not, first form of verb and object question mark. Double interrogative, WH words, then did, subject, verb and object question mark. Let's see the examples. बच्चों ने चिड़ियाघर की सैर की. Children visited the zoo. This is positive sentence and that's why second form of verb has been used here. Negative, children did not visit the zoo. While making the negative, we will use verb first form. Interrogative, did children visit the zoo? Negative interrogative, did children not visit the zoo? Double interrogative, when did or where did children visit the zoo? Let's start its exercise that has been given in your book. Lesson number 5, past indefinite tense, active voice, affirmative sentences. For example, वो स्कूल गया, he went to school. तुमने सवाल हल किया, you solved the question. मैंने एक कैमरा खरीदा, I bought a camera. हमने दरिया पार किया, we crossed the river. उन्होंने कार को रोका, they stopped the car. This is the explanation that I have given you in the previous one slide. Let's see the sentences. हम गाड़ी पर सवार हुए, we boarded the train. उन्होंने हमको तोहफा दिया, they gave us a gift. हमीद ने इनाम हासिल किया, हमीद won a prize. लोगों ने चोर को पकड़ा, the people caught the thief. कुत्ते ने खरगोश का ताक़ुब किया, the dog chased the rabbit. मैंने खत डाक में डाला, I posted the letter. तुमने मुझे चाय पर बुलाया, you invited me to tea. हमारी टीम ने मैच जीत लिया, our team won the match. लड़कों ने शोर मचाया, the boys made a noise. मजीद ने खूबसूरत तस्वीर बनाई, मजीद made a beautiful picture. दादी अम्मा ने हमें अजीब कहानी सुनाई, the grandmother told us a strange story. तलबा ने सबक सुनाया, the students told the lesson. उस्ताद ने सबक अच्छी तरह पढ़ाया, the teacher taught the lesson well. वो जान बचाने के लिए भाग खड़ा हुआ, he ran for his life. उसने अपनी किताब देने से इनकार कर दिया, he refused to give his book. Next, negative and interrogative sentences are there. उसने वालिदैन का हुक्म ना माना, he did not obey his parents. उन्होंने हमारी मदद ना की, they did not help us. तुमने अपना वादा पूरा ना किया, you did not fulfill your promise. लोगों ने इस कानून के खिलाफ एहतजाज ना किया, people did not protest against this law. पुलिस ने चोर को गिरफ्तार ना किया, the police did not arrest the thief. पुलिस ने हजूम को मुंतशिर ना किया, the police did not disperse the crowd. वो सज़ा से ना बचा, he did not escape punishment. तुमने मेरी एक ना सुनी, you did not listen to me. उन्होंने मुझे एक तरफ ना धकेला, they did not push me aside. हमने इसकी परवाह ना की, वी डिड नॉट केयर फॉर हिम। प्रिंसिपल ने इनामात तकसीम ना किए, द प्रिंसिपल डिड नॉट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द प्राइजेस। मैंने इसका मजाक ना उड़ाया, आई डिड नॉट मेक फन ऑफ हिम। फौज ने किला पर कब्जा ना किया, द आर्मी डिड नॉट कैप्चर द फोर्ट। पहलवान ने अपने हरीफ को ना पछाड़ा, द रेसलर डिड नॉट नॉक आउट हिज अपोनेंट। उसने झूठ ना बोला, शी डिड नॉट टेल अ लाई। तुमने किस से मशवरा किया, whom did you consult? These were the activized sentences of past indefinite tense. Let's see the passive voice of past indefinite tense. We know very well what is the passive voice. Passive voice is that when the subject receives any action or when something happens to the subject of the verb, that is called passive voice. Okay, the passive voice formation is same in all the tenses, only the helping verb is changed, and in past indefinite tense helping verbs are was and were, and the other changes are same. Object and subject change their position with each other. Third form is used in all the tenses. By is used if the subject is given in the active voice and at the end subject is there. Let's see example. Active voice, he painted the wall. Passive voice, the wall was painted by him. Wall is singular, that's why was helping verb is suitable here. The wall was painted by him. Negative, the wall was not painted by him. Interrogative, was the wall painted by him? Okay, these were the passive voice formations and examples. Let's see the exercise given on your grammar book. चिट्ठी डाक में डाल दी गई, द लेटर वाज पोस्टेड। घास काट ली गई, ग्रास वाज कट। परिंदे पकड़ लिए गए, बर्ड्स वर कॉट। चोर गिरफ्तार कर लिए गए, द थीव्स वर अरेस्टेड। सईद को जुर्माना किया गया, सईद वाज फाइंड। बर्तन नजमा से टूट गए, पॉट्स वर ब्रोकन बाय नजमा। उन्हें सजा दी गई, दे वर पनिश्ड। सांप मार डाला गया, द स्नेक वाज किल्ड। घड़ी कहीं गुम हो गई, द वॉच वाज लॉस्ट समवेयर। मैच कजाफी स्टेडियम में खेला गया, द मैच वाज प्लेड एट द कजाफी स्टेडियम। In the given sentences we have used was or were with the third form of verb as I have told you in the previous slide. Negative sentences. नतीजे का ऐलान वक्त पर ना किया गया, the result was not announced on time. उसको घर से ना निकाला गया, he was not turned out of the house. We know while making the negative we use the word not with helping verb. दुकानों और मकानों को ना सजाया गया, शॉप्स एंड हाउसेज वर नॉट डेकोरेटेड। मुलजिम को जमानत पर रिहा ना किया गया, द अक्यूज्ड वाज नॉट रिलीज्ड ऑन बेल। दरवाजे पर पेंट ना किया गया, द डोर वाज नॉट पेंटेड। गंदम सस्ती ना बेची गई, व्हीट वाज नॉट सोल्ड चीप। पूरी रकम वसूल ना की गई, फुल अमाउंट वाज नॉट रिकवर्ड। मरीज का ऑपरेशन एहतियात से ना किया गया, द पेशेंट वाज नॉट ऑपरेटेड अपॉन केयरफुली। गाय का दूध ना निकाला गया, द काउ वाज नॉट मिल्क्ड। कोई दरख्त ना काटा गया, नो ट्री वाज कट। Interrogative sentences, you know very well in interrogative sentences helping verb comes at the start of sentence and the rest of the formation remains the same. क्या तमाम किताबें जला दी गईं? Were all books burnt? क्या उस सड़क की मरम्मत कर दी गई? Was this road repaired? कमरे से झाड़ू कब दिया गया? When was the room swept? ये मुश्किल काम कैसे किया गया? How was this difficult task done? लड़के को उसकी बहादुरी का इनाम कहाँ दिया गया? Where was the boy awarded prize for his bravery? आदमी को गोली कहाँ मारी गई? Where was the man fired? सर्टिफिकेट किसको दिया गया? Who was given the certificate? साजिश कब तैयार की गई? When was the plot made? पुलिस के हाथों कौन मारा गया? Who was killed by the police? ये तब्दीली कैसे लाई गई? How was this change brought about? So my dear students, the 3 exercises were of passive voices and 2 exercises of active voices. Only the solved exercises you have to learn, and it is necessary that you should practice it written. First of all, write the formation and take some verbs, make sentences by yourself, and then translate them into English. After that, learn the exercises from your book. Now today's diary, you have to learn and practice past and definite tense, active voice and passive voice solved exercises from your grammar book. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.